If you want to know how to increase font size in Gamma app, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make your text larger inside Gamma so your document or presentation looks cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. This is especially helpful if you want to emphasize a title, make body text more readable, or improve the overall design of your slides. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside Gamma, open the document or presentation where you want to adjust the text size. This could be a new project, an existing page, or a slide you're currently editing. After your file is open, find the specific text you want to make larger and highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words, just like you would in a regular text editor. As soon as you highlight the text, Gamma will automatically show a text formatting menu above your selection. This is where you can make quick changes without digging through a bunch of settings. In that formatting menu, look for the size icon. This is the control that lets you change the font size for the selected text. Click on it and you'll see a list of preset size options. Choose a larger preset to increase the font size instantly. Gamma will apply the change right away so you can see the text become bigger on the page or slide. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other sections of text in your document. Just highlight the text, open the formatting menu, click the size icon, and select the larger option that works best for your layout. This is a simple but powerful way to make your content more readable and give your presentation a better visual hierarchy. Larger text can help important points stand out, improve viewer focus, and make your design look much more polished. So if your Gamma content feels too small or crowded, this is the fastest way to fix it. And that's how to increase font size in Gamma app in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Gamma tips, AI tools, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.